Yes, can someone confirm? Can you hear me? Is it my voice is clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Yeah. So if you look at the like now we have done the couple of things in now, like how to write the joins, and we have executed the few queries we executed. And today we'll see some other database. We'll see that here, and on that data we are going to perform the. We will do the some analytics. We'll do that here. Okay. If you take the players.sql, good. This is a players.sql. This has got the information about the all the players. Okay. This has got the information about the players. Okay, and around we have uh, a decent data we are having here. So if you look at the raw type, we have a players. The player has got the name, role, and the team name and the amount. What is the amount is paid? And one second, guys. Dogs. Check up the dogs repositories. Okay. Just I want to search for that file. I've got the IPL player data. So let's see resources player.json. This is the basic data it is having here. IPL stats. Okay, anyway, so I'm unable to look at that file. Cool, no problem. So we'll go ahead with the SQL file, whatever we are having here. So we will look at that. This is a docs. Okay, I'll say it as a docs repository. So this has got the seed data. If I'm looking at here we have got the 2020 players data. Okay. So we would be taking the player.json we are taking here. This is a file we are going to take it here, and we will be performing some actions on that. Good. If I'm taking this entire data, I'm going to copy that here, and now I'm going to insert this data into my database. Okay, just we'll take this database. Okay, this is our database. I'm going to open the new SQL script. I'm going to open. Okay, then I will be pasting that. Okay. Let's, if you take this here, if there is a table, just we are going to drop the table, drop table. Okay, we always should use the if exists. Okay, if table is exists, you drop the table and create table if not exists. If not exists, so that if already table is exists, it won't cause the any problem. Now I'm going to say that here, hey, if table is not there, you exit that, execute that here, create table has been done. Then I would be adding the all this players into the table. I'm going to add it here. So, so this would be executing the one by one. It will execute and it will insert the all the rows. It is going to be inserted into the database. It is going to insert. So we have a like this might be some 2020 data. So all the teams and the each player has got the name, role, and the team name and the amount. What is the amount he has paid? So this is the basic information we are having here. Now what we are going to do here is on this, we whatever the things we learned so far, we will do the basic statistics. We are going to do that here. Okay. The first query we are going to write it here. Here we are going to write that here. The query number one, get all team names. Get all team names. We want to get the only team names. We want to get it here. The second query, get players of given team. Okay. Who is the players of the given team? The third one is get team name, total players, okay, maximum amount, minimum amount, max amount, minimum amount, minimum amount, and average amount of the given team. Okay, we need to get the team name, how many total players are there, what is the maximum amount, minimum amount, average amount. Okay, the fourth query we are going to do this year, get max, get, see, the fourth query, we would be doing this as a get of all the teams. You are going to get it here. Get team name of all the teams, of all the teams. Okay. So this is the fourth question. And fifth question is get max paid players of the player or players of the given team. Okay. Next one is sixth question is get second max paid players of the given team. Okay. Next one is get top three paid players. Top three amount paid players. Top three amount paid players. We are going to find this here. Okay. The next one is eighth one. Get team name, team wise max paid players. Okay. Max paid players. This is the one I'm going to take it here. Players. Okay. Cool. The next one is ninth one. Get. Okay. The role wise, team and role wise max paid players. Okay, max paid players we are going to do this year. The 10th query we would be writing it as a here we are going to say that here. Yeah. Get team role total players and total amount of all the teams. These are the queries we want to do that here. These are the queries we want to do on this, and we have to, if you are doing these 10 queries with this data, like more or less, we will be done with that. Okay. Now let me show you that data. What is the data we are having here in the table? Just let I'm going to delete this here. Select start from player. select star from player. I'm going to take it here, which is going to give me the all the players details. It is going to give me that here. If you look at here, these are the players details. Now, what is the question number one? They're asking, get all the team names. Get all team names. When you're asking the get all team names, you would be using here select. This is a team underscore name from player. This is going to give the all the team names. It is going to give it here, but we want to get the unique team names. You want to get it here. The team names we would like to get the unique names. For that, we are going to use the distinct team names. Like now we have 8 teams we are having here: RCB, CSK, DC, SRH, KKR, Punjab, and like the from the players we are going to take the team names, and we are taking the distinct team name. We are going to take it here. The distinct team name we would be taking. Okay. The next question is get players of the given team. Okay. So when you are asking the players of the given team, get players of the given team. How do you find that here? Select star from EMP, sorry, player, where team underscore name equal to, I'm going to give it as a, suppose if I give the CSK, I should get the all the CSK players. Now, if you see here, we are getting the data, only CSK we are getting here. Other option could be, you can use the $1. So then the moment you ask here, it is going to give the parameter. Like, hey, what is the value you want to give it here? Suppose if I want to give the MI, I'm going to give the MI and I'm clicking OK here. Okay, this is a enter. I'm going to do this here. So you will be getting the players of the Mumbai. We are going to get it here. Like here, you would be giving that as a, or you can give that as a dollar name or something. You can give anything here. Dollar name, if I'm giving here, it is asking me what is the team name. I'm going to say it as a MI. So only I want to get the details of the MI player details. You want to get it here. So we would be getting this as a MI. What we are doing here is we are doing the filter. Here we are going to do the filter, and the filter we are doing on the team name. We are going to do that here. Now, get the team name, total players, maximum amount of the given team. Of the given team, you want to find it here. So we know that how to find this here. Okay. More or less, this query will be the same in terms of filtering. Only there is a few things it is going to change it here. What are the changes we are going to make it here? Select team underscore name, team name. Then team name, we are going to get it here. Then here we are going to get the maximum amount or count of players. Count star as the total players, total underscore players. Then here we are going to get the maximum amount, max amount as max amount. We are going to take it here. Okay, as max amount you would be taking here. Similarly, we are going to write the other things. We are going to do this here, maximum amount, and then we are going to write the minimum amount, min underscore amount, min underscore amount. Sorry, this is the minimum amount we want to find it here. Min equal to min amount as min amount. So now here you are going to file this query that Mumbai Indians, you are going to take it here. Okay, you will be saying it as a okay. So here it is giving the error, it is giving here. Why this is giving error? Let me explain this here. So when you take this query, the team name, count, you are getting the count of players, maximum amount, minimum amount, and we want to find the even total amount also. Total and average, we want to find it here. So this is a sum of amount as a total amount. Okay, here we are going to take the AVG amount as a AVG average amount. We are going to take it here. And one thumb rule, you remember that whenever you are using the
light out Jeva.
Whenever you are using the team name, whenever you are using the team name, if you are using the group by, if you are combining with the group by classes, you must ensure that that column is presented with the group by clause. Here we are going to say that here group by. After the where class, you should write the group by. Okay, group by what? Team name. A group by team name, we are going to write it here, and we are executing this query. Click here, OK. So you would get the Mumbai Indians. The total 24 players are there. Maximum amount they have paid the 15 crores. Minimum is a 20 lakhs, and the average amount is this the amount, and the total amount is this the amount they have paid. So we are getting the complete information about the complete statistics about this. So now the next query, what they are asking is here, hey, get me for all the teams they are asking here. When you are doing for all the teams, we shouldn't be using the where condition. We would be doing like this. Now we are going to execute this here for all the teams. RCB, CSK, DC, Mumbai, and everything we got it here. RCB, CSK, each team, what is that maximum amount? You got it here. Now, the next query they are asking here, max paid players of the given team. Max paid players of the given team. We need to find the player who is getting the maximum paid, maximum amount in the given team. Suppose if I'm taking here, select star from player, where team underscore name equal to, I could say that as a MI. I'm getting the Mumbai Indians. Now I'm doing the one more thing, order by amount. We are going to do the DESC, descending order. I'm going to say that here. When I say that here, descending order, like we got the Rohit Sharma, and he is the one who was highest paid in that according to the data. Now here we are going to check that here, select star from player, where team name MI, order by amount DESC. Descending order, we are going to get it here. Now we need to find the maximum paid player of that particular team. So you have two options here. Like the first option, what I'm saying that it is not the right approach. Where what generally people what they will do, they will try to do that here. Limit equal to 1, they will do that here. Limit equal to 1. What does it mean? Limit equal to 1 means get me only first record. We are going to say that here. We are getting the Rohit Sharma. But that is not correct. If there is a two players who are getting the maximum amount, then you will show only one player who is getting the maximum amount. If there is a two players with the maximum amount, just let me show you that here. Here we are going to take it here. This is the person Artik Pandya also. Let's imagine that he is also getting the 15 crores if you take that here. Now it is going to show the only first record. It is going to show that here. The limit is using for the. Okay, let me explain about the limit and the skip. There is something called the limit and offset. These are the two functions we are having here. Suppose if I am taking here, select star from EMP. If I take this here, not EMP, the player, if I'm taking here, player, it is going to get me all the players details. It is getting here. Now what I want to do here is, I want to arrange order by amount DESC, descending order. I'm going to do this here. Now I'm asking get me the first 5 records only. Get me the first 5 records. Then what I can do here is, I can restrict that here. Limit equal to 5, we are going to do that here. This would get the only first 5 records. Hey, you leave the first 5 records and get me from 6th records to the another 5 records, you get me that if you are asking. Then you would be using the offset. Okay, we are going to use the offset, we are going to use it here. Offset. I'm going to say it as a 5. Offset 5 means it is going to skip the first 5 records. Now, if I am taking here, pin tab, MS Dhoni was MS Dhoni till 5th record he was there. I'm saying that can you only skip the first 4 records? That means we don't want to see Virat Kohli and Rishabh Pant, and get me from 5th record to the another 5 records. You get me that here. Now, when I execute this here, we are getting the, okay, why Rohit Sharma came twice? Yeah, Rohit Sharma was not there. So we should get the offset of 4. We want to skip the offset 4, limit equal to 5. I am going to do this here. Offset 4. Only 4 I am doing here. DESC. We are doing the descending order. Offset 4. Okay. Rishabh Pant. Offset 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 records. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Here you are doing here offset 4 records. We are going to do that here. Okay. So now here we are going to set as offset 5. Now I am going to execute here. So first 5 records will be skipped. Then it is going to get the next set of records. You will be getting that here. Offset is used for the, especially when you are doing the pagination. When you have a huge data, very large data, when you are having here, we cannot access the entire data by hitting the database. Like now we need to send the chunks of the data. We need to send it here based on the page number what you clicked. We need to send the records of of that particular page. That's the scenarios where we would use the offset and limit. We are going to use it here. Offset is going to skip the number of records and limit is going to restrict the number of records. Okay, how many records you want to fetch? That many records only it is going to give that here. This is the way the limit and the offset will be used. Limit and offset will be used. Any questions here? Let me give a pause and any questions? Yes, any questions?
No, sir.
No questions?
No, sir.
Okay, for you to practice, I'm sending you the one link and that has got the all the SQL scripts I'm having here. You can take that and you can practice those assignment questions in the chat I'm sending you. Okay, when you are working on the SQL, suppose here that this is a script file I shared with you in the chat. You have all the tables, like DEPT table, EMP table, then we have a salary table, and there are some 45 questions are there. You can solve this, all the 45 questions, you can solve it here. And along with that IPL, what are the examples I explained? And that also is there in this same document, same repository. Okay, let me give you this. Okay, you guys can take this. I'm going to put it here. Just I'm adding this, and these two things are available. You guys can start looking at those assignment questions as well, so that it will be helpful for you uh, when you are working on this. One more, let me give that as a country info. Okay. Okay, cool. Country data, SQL. Okay. These many countries are there with the population. You want to get it here. Okay. I should have searched before coming to class itself. This JSON may be having the not flattening the data. Hmm, cool. Delhi, Tokyo, and Japan. Then we have a primary and cool. Tokyo city, latitude, and population. Okay, cool. So this is another uh, longitude and latitude. Okay, what are the longitude, latitude, population, and this is I think more or less like no here 2015 population. Okay, just let me see this here. Scripts. This is a PY data population.csv country name year and Afghanistan, America, year, and what is the population. Okay, we can take this data as well. So what they have given here, country name and country code and year and the value. What is the population? So yeah, we can take this data as well. Let me raw type. I'm going to take it here. So this is the data we are having here. This is going to tell you that here which year, what is the population. It is going to show you that here. So what I can do here is CSV to SQL. I'm going to select it here. Convert the CSV to the SQL. If I'm taking here, this would be huge data. It may not be small data. It is really huge data. It will be. So we have a huge data because it is going to take the all the countries it is taking here. Okay, 62 years data it is having here. If you look at the India till 2021, now they have a population data. They have captured here. Fine. So where we can take this entire data and entire data. If I'm taking here Control A, Control C. and you can convert this into the SQL CSV file to the SQL. You can convert here. Okay, this is the country name, country code, year, value, and here we are going to say it as a country uh, population. Okay, these are my table name. I'm going to take it here. Create table if does not exist, and then we are going to do the insert statement. We are going to do that here. Okay, but the problem with this is going to insert the, yeah, this is going to download the CSV file. It's going to download it here. So these are the queries we want to execute that here. This is really very big data. Okay, now I'm going to take it here, and I'm pasting here, and the country information if I'm taking here. So each country has got the 60 years information it is having here. 60 years information you are having here, and enter. This is going to be created the table, and we need to execute the all this data. We need to execute here. Okay, entire data we need to execute here. It may take a couple of seconds. Instead of that, what we could do here is we can do the bulk insert. We can do that here. Okay, how to do this bulk insert? Just let me explain this here. Okay, area I copied here. Just I am going to this file. Okay, I'm going to add a new text file. I'm going to add it here, and I will be pasting the same thing. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Yeah, mouse scrolling itself, it's taking a long time. Okay. This is a place where we are going to select. Control Shift. Okay, what I want to do here is we want to delete the only this is the information we want to delete that here. Shortcut type. So otherwise, what happens? This insertion, what it does is that it does the line by line. It is going to do that here. It will take huge time. So we can insert the multiple records in one go. We can insert here. It's just selected all the things. Now I will be selecting all. So if I am executing this here, it will insert the one by one. It is going to be inserted here. Reason is error, duplicate key violation. Okay, there is something wrong in the table creation itself. I don't know how we have created that. The constraint is it is saying that country name. Okay, country name, he has given it as a primary key, and he has inserting the same data. He is inserting the multiple times. He is inserting here, which is not possible. Okay, what we can do here is alter table. Okay, alter table name, the country underscore population, drop constraint primary key. Okay, I'm going to drop the constraint primary key. I'm going to drop it here. Drop alter table the country information dot constraint. Okay, near the syntax is error, it is saying here. Okay. We could do here is like we'll do one thing. Okay, this is we can say it as not null, but here we are going to say it as a not null. So let me drop the table, drop table. So what you are going to drop the table is country underscore population table. I'm going to drop the table. Okay. I will be dropping here. And next one is here we are going to add one extra column. I am going to add it here. This is ID, where we are going to take it as a serial. I'm going to take it as a serial and primary key. I'm going to take it as a primary key so that that value will be automatically inserted. Now here we are going to insert all these records. We are going to insert here. We want to insert all the records. We want to insert like we have a. Okay, let me take it here and I'm going to select Control A. Okay, I'm going to execute this here. This will take a couple of seconds. Let it happen. That now we'll continue our discussion. I'll come back to the this. Let it be inserting this data. Let it insert here. Now here, if we look at here, we have done the queries with the. Okay, we are doing the, these are the queries we are doing here. Get players of the given team name. You done that here. Get maximum paid players of the given team. Okay, maximum paid players. We don't know whether it's one player or multiple players. One player or multiple players, we are not sure. So then what we are going to do here is, we are writing here, select star from player where team underscore name equal to, I'm going to take it as a CSK. This is going to get me all the players of the CSK, it is going to get that here. But that's not our requirement. Our requirement is a very simple. We need to get we need to get the players of who are getting the maximum salary, we need to get it here. Okay, let me execute this here. I think, does it allow the multiple connections? Yes, we'll see that. Yeah, its connection has been closed. It's obtaining the connection. Okay, let it be that. Yeah, we got all the CSK players, we got it here. Correct. Now we need to find who is getting the maximum amount. Now here we are going to say it as the amount. Then we are saying it as a max of amount from this player. Okay. If you take that here, this is the 15 crores is the maximum amount in the CSK. We want to know how many of them are getting the 15 crores. Select star from player where team underscore name, not team underscore name, where amount equal to, you would be writing an inner query, we are going to write it here. This is the inner query I'm writing here, and these are the three people who are getting them. Oh, we want to apply this where condition after filtering the data. Okay, after filtering the data also we need to apply that here. Where and team underscore name equal to CSK. Okay, you get me the only CSK people, we get me that here. There is a MS Dhoni who has taken highest amount in that tournament, and he is the one who you are getting here. Suppose if I'm asking you to find the second highest who has found, who is getting that here, in order to find the CSK, what you would be doing here is, you would be writing the one more condition, you are going to write it here. Select maximum salary from player where amount is less than, you are writing a one more inner query, you are writing here. You are writing a one more inner query, you are going to write it here. So what is that? The same thing you are going to write it here. Select. Okay, amount is less than. We are going to write it as this one more inner query you will be writing here. So select max amount from player where amount is where team equal to CSK, we are going to take it here. Where team equal to CSK, we are going to take this here. This is the inner query. Okay. So here, let me format this query. Okay. Here you are going to select it here. Select start from player where amount equal to select maximum where amount is less than maximum amount from this player where CSK, we are going to say that here. And one more, we need to close the bracket. We need to close it here and we are going to execute here. Okay, we did not find anyone. We'll see this here. Why we did not find anyone? So maximum amount we are going to find this here. Okay, select star from player where amount equal to select maximum amount from the player and where amount is less than. Here we are going to select this. Oh no. Yeah, less than correct. Less than maximum amount from players where team name equal to CSK. From this, we are going to get it here. We'll see this here. Now I am going to execute this here. We are going to get the KKR and everybody is getting here. But we don't have any player from the CSK. But our requirement is we need to find the players who are from the CSK. We need to find it here. Correct? Okay, where and we are going to add it here. One more time, I'm going to add it here and CSK. Okay, let me put it as this and CSK. I'm going to add it here. The team name has to be a CSK. Only you get me the CSK people. So he is the one who is getting the second highest. Okay, second highest is this. Like no, we are writing the inner query. First, you are finding the maximum query. Then you are getting the less than the maximum query. Who is the maximum? We are finding the maximum value. From there, we are getting the people who are getting that salary. We are getting all the things. First inner query, it is going to get the maximum. In that maximum, we are saying that whatever the salary, what are the amount less than that maximum value, we are finding in that maximum. That's nothing but the second maximum. So this is the way you can do the first maximum and second maximum. You can do that here. Okay. So this approach also, it is not correct. Okay. Why I'm saying that if this approach is also not correct, I'm saying here, yeah, this approach is fine. Okay, sorry. Suppose if we are finding the 100th maximum or 30th maximum amount paid players you want to get that here, you cannot write the 30 queries, 30 sub queries. You shouldn't be writing that. So for that, you will be using the Windows functions. We would be using that. How to use the Windows functions, I will be explaining that here. This is the way you are writing the subqueries you are writing here. Now, get the second maximum player. Get to top 3 amount paid players. Top 3 amount paid players, we want to get it here. It's a simple thing. You may say that here. Hey, I will select all the players. Select star from players. Select star from players. Order by amount DESC. I'm going to do that descending order. Order by amount DESC. I'm going to do the descending order. I'll get the all the players and like no, if I want to get the top 3 paid players, top 3 amount paid players, they're asking the top 3 amount paid players. They're not asking the top 3 players. If top 3 amounts is what? This, and this, and this. Okay, there are 15 crores, there are 3 people are getting. Suppose if you do the limit 3, you would get the only first 3 players. But they're asking the get the top 3 paid players, we need to get it here. We need to get the top three paid players. We need to get it here. In such a scenarios, you cannot do by using the simple query. What I'm going to do here is, here we are going to write select name, role. I'm going to take the team name, amount. I'm going to take a one function called the rank. Rank over order by salary DSC from player. Okay. Now let's we look at here. Order by amount. Sorry, not salary. Order by amount DSC. Okay. If we look at here, we have a rank. There is a function called the rank and dense rank. Dense rank. I'm going to take the dense rank. I'm getting here. Like now, what I'm doing here is the dense rank function I'm using here. By using the dense rank function, we are saying that here the dense over order by amount. In a descending order, you arrange and you give the rank for them. So now here the Virat Kohli is the rank number 1, and Pat Cummins is rank number 2, and MS Dhoni and these all people has given this same rank because they all are getting the same amount. They all are getting the same amount they are getting here. So that's why we are saying it as these three people, MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, and Rishabh Pant. These three are getting the same amount they are getting here. Now here we are going to say it as a dense rank. When I use that here, it will give the, based on the amount it has given the rank, ranking it has given that here, and we need to find the top three amount paid players. Top three amounts paid players is nothing but the, if we get the till rank 3, we are done. We are done. Now what we are going to do here is, this is a query we would be writing here. Now I'm going to select name, role, team name, and amount from, we would be writing this entire thing. We are going to take it here as a one query. We are going to write it here. So we are writing here select start from, this is nothing but the one alias name I'm going to give it here. This will be acts like a table. So select, we are selecting from here, and here we are going to select it here where t dot, okay, here we will say it as a, this is a column name, I will say it as a RNK, rank and DNK, dense rank I'm going to say it here. DNK is greater than or equal to 3. Get me the top, no, DNK is less than or equal to 3. Sorry, not greater than or equal to 3. We are going to get the top 5 paid, top 3 amount paid players. You are going to get it here. You would be using the, there is a function called the dense rank. What is this dense rank does is that it is going to arrange the rank. This is going to give the ranking. This is going to give the rank for your the amount, and finally, so based on that rank, we will be getting the, what is the, like, no, less than 3 ranks. You are going to get it here. Okay. The window functions, one of them is a dense rank. We are going to take it here. This dense rank, what it does is that, the dense rank, what it does is that here, based on the over, what are the order you are going to give it here, the data will be arranged in this order, and it's going to add the rank to that. And now we are going to filter out the only top 3 ranks. You are going to get the data. What is the top 3 ranks? Just you would be getting, this is the data you are getting here. Now, the next one is, next query, if you look at here, get the team-wise maximum paid players. We need to find the each team-wise maximum paid players. We want to find it here. Okay, team-wise maximum paid players. We want to find it here. You again here also we need to use the either dense rank or rank. We need to use it here. We'll write the query for that. What is that query we are writing here? Select start from select name, name, role, team name, okay, and amount. Amount. We want to get the rank. We want to get the rank. We want to get it here. So here also we are going to use the dense rank. We are going to use it here. Dense rank over. Here we are going to do that here. Each team wise we need to get it here. Each team wise we want to find the maximum paid players. For that we are going to use the partition by team name, order by amount DSC, and we are going to put it as a DNK from player. Okay. First let me get this here. Data. If you look at here, we have a CSK, the rank one is a MS Dhoni. And if we go to the next team, here we have a DC, the Rishabh Pant is a rank 1 player. And if you go to the KKR, Pat Cummins is a person who is getting the maximum. And if you go to the next team, MI, there is only one person, Rohit Sharma is getting the maximum. If you look at the RCB, there is a one person, Virat Kohli. If you are taking the RR, there are two people who are getting the same amount. The rank 1 players, there is a 2 players are there. So this is a both the players we need to get these details. What is it is doing here is it is doing the grouping based on the team, and it is arranging in a descending order and giving the rank. Now you got it that like now we want to get the top 1 rank players only, we want to get it here. So what you are going to do here is we are going to write a one more select statement. You are writing here select. These are the fields. Okay, select. These are the fields we want to select it here. Okay, we need only these fields we require here. Okay, from I will be saying it as a, this is a table name. Okay, then we are going to put the at the end. Dense rank. We are going to do that here. DNK from player. This you can give it as a one alias name, and there is a condition where t dot dnk equal to 1. Only get me the rank 1 players. Okay, here we are going to take it as a team, and then now we are executing here. This is a t dot. We are going to execute. We will get the each team. Who are the top paid players? We got it here. We got the top paid players. We got these details. So here we are doing the partition by name, and order by we are going to do the descending order, and finally you will be getting the people who are getting the maximum amount. You will be getting that here. Get the team and role maximum paid players. We need to get the team and role, team wise, role wise maximum paid players. More or less same query here also. This is also same query. Okay, this is also same query. Just I'm going to do this here, edit and format SQL. We'll see that here. They are asking the team wise and role wise. Okay, here we are going to add one more. We are going to add it here. Partition by team and role. I'm going to add it here, and then we are going to display this details. We are going to display that here. Now, if I am executing here in CSK all rounder, this is a maximum amount. Batsman, this is a maximum amount. Bowler, this is a maximum amount. Wicketkeeper, this is a maximum amount. Okay, for each team, what are the roles we are having here? If you look at here, select distinct roles from player. Okay, distinct role from player. If I do this here, we'll get these are the 5 roles. If you go and execute the previous query, now here we are going to get the each role, what is the maximum amount you will be getting that here. Here we are doing the rank, we are giving the team wise and role, like no team and role both we are taking here. So each team, each role, in that role, what is the maximum amount? We are trying to find that here. This is the way we can use the dense rank with this. We are going to use it here. Get the team role, total players, total amount of the all the teams. Team name, role, and the total players and the total amount of all the teams. Of all the teams. Yeah, already we have done that here. There is no point in doing this question. Okay. So this is the way you would be using the rank and the dense rank and the row number. Like no, there are there are places where we can give the row number also. You can give it here. The based on the row number, you can get the like now here if I'm taking here instead of dense rank, I'm taking the row number. I'm going to take it here. Row number. I'm going to give it here. Row number. Here we are going to take the row number. We are going to take it here, and we are going to executing here. You would be getting the like now instead of dense rank, we are giving the row number, and the first row we are going to get it here. The first row we are going to get it here. But in case of the first row, if the two people are there in that all-rounder, if the two people are getting that, you may not get the second value. So in that scenarios, the dense rank would be the best option. The dense rank will be the best option. This is the way you would be using these functions. We call it as the analytic functions. Okay. If you look at here, there are a lot of other things are there. SQL window functions. Okay, if we go and look at that here, window functions, we have a different window functions are there. Okay, just I'm going to open this here. This is one of those things. We can take the row number, rank, dense rank, entile, lead, lag. So these are the functions. We call it as a so window functions. We can say that here. We have discussed the row number and rank and dense rank is rank. We will get the gaps. Rank we are going to get the gaps, whereas dense rank we will not get the gaps. What does it mean? Let me explain this here. Rank and dense rank, what is the difference between them? Select start from player. I'm going to select the player, and each player based on the amount I want to give the row number. Okay, you want to give the row number. What do you do here is select name, role, team underscore name, and amount. I want to give the row number over order by amount DESC RNK from player. If you see here, Virat Kohli is the highest salary, highest amount he is getting here. Next is the Pat Cummins, and then there is a 3. Like no, even though they are getting the same amount, but since we have used the row number, it is arranged in the salaries. Then it has given the row numbers. It has given here. It has given the row number. Suppose if I give the rank instead of row number, I am going to give the rank. It gives the rank. This is the first highest. Second, in third we have a 3 people. Third rank we have got the 3 people. The same rank as given. Then it went to the 6. Why? Because 4, 5 already it is there in this. Ranks was skipped. That's the reason it has taken the 6. Then it has taken the 10. There is a gaps. We don't want gaps. If you want to get the dense rank, if I'm using here, we will not get the gaps. Directly you will get it here, the values. If you look at here, this is a first rank, second rank, third rank, this is a fourth rank. So this is a way the difference between rank and the dense rank is, in case of the rank, you will get the gaps, and in case of the dense rank, you will not get any gaps. You will not get it here. That's the only difference you can say that here. Okay. The rank and the dense rank. Then we have a something called the lag and lead. Like no, this is especially when you want to do the running totals. We would be using the lead and the lag. We would be using that here. This is also one of the window function. We can say that here. Okay, lag and lag lead. Okay, there will be a, yeah, we can find the example how to see this is a function, window functions. Okay, syntax for the Windows function, rank, dense rank. Okay, how to use the window functions. Code. Okay, this is a rank and dense rank, both I discussed. Okay, so we can check for that here. Lead and lag. If you take here lead and lag, how to use that here, lead and lag functions. There would be a lot of tutorials. You'll get it here. Okay, so this is the order, and now here if you take that here, yeah, this is one of the simplest example. You can take it here. Order quantity lag. First day, how much it is a null. Then second day it is a 44. Next is the lag is it is going to take it as a here if you look at here the lag value. This is a previous day. What is the value? Suppose this is the today is the first day, and what is the yesterday value? Null. This is a value which is going to be a first day value. Like when you want to get that away, you will be using the lag. We are going to use it here. And the lead means today is this. What is the tomorrow value? It's a 41. Then it is a 40. So when you want to do such operations, we would be using the lead and lag. We are going to use it here. Okay. The sales orders are something like hmm, yeah, something when you are taking here lead lag. This is the one. Yeah, this is the best example you can take it here. The previous year, anyhow, we inserted this country information. Okay, we can select that here. Select a star from country population. We have done that here. Okay, good. Country population. We have done that here. Now I am asking the question. Hey, in the year 2000, okay, um, okay, in the year 2000, get me the top 5 populated countries. Get me the top 5 populated countries. In the year 2020, get me the top. Okay, just I'm going to select it here. Select start from the country population, okay, where year equal to 2020. We are going to take it as a 2020. I'm taking here. So we have got these many countries are there. Okay, they have given the only 2020 information. Few countries. They did not give all the countries. Okay. Okay, 1998. Okay, population where country name equal to. Let's we'll give it here. Okay, what is this column names are coming different country name? It does it allow these spaces? I don't know. Okay, whenever you have got this way of doing the things, you should be writing in a double quote. Generally, it shouldn't allow that. Okay, but it has allowed country name like percentage, whether it is in the lowercase or uppercase, we don't know. interesting. Maybe might have not inserted the entire data. This might have not inserted the entire data. This might have not inserted the entire data. Could be that is the reason. Yeah, first of all, there is no India. And you know, how will you get the data? Yeah, there is a data. This is a country name. This is a very, very bad naming conventions we follow that. See, whenever you are using the table names, you should ensure that the column names shouldn't be having the any spaces. So that's a fundamental rule. We need to remember that. Okay. Anyway, this we need not worry too much about that. Here, I gave you the you guys. I gave you the in the chart. There is some 45 questions are there. Okay. Uh, where is that? This is a one. Yeah. Assignment questions. If you go here, you can take the in order to practice the this window functions. Last five questions are there. Display the nth highest paid employee. We need to display the nth highest paid employee. N could be anything. N could be anything. We want to find the nth highest paid employee. We want to find it here. Now, how are you going to find that here? Let me show you that. Select star from EMP. Okay, we want to find the top amount paid, top three amount paid employees. It can be a one person, it can be a multiple people. What we are going to do here is we are going to select EMP number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, sal, commission, DEPT number, comma. Then we are going to use the tens rank. Tens rank over order by sal DESC as RNK rank from EMP. I would be getting the all the employees along with the rank. We got it here. Now top three amount paid employee. If you want to get that here, you are going to write it one more time. Select. You will repeat all these column names except the rank. Okay, copy this. We are going to paste it here. From you put it in it. This is what we are going to put it here. This is the table name is a T where T dot RNK equal to dollar one. I am going to say that here. Now it is asking the hey, what do you want? Which is the third highest paid employees you want to find it here. You execute. He is the one who is paying the third highest amount. If you want to get the fifth highest paid, you would be writing the fifth highest paid. Who is that fifth highest paid? You are going to execute that here. You are going to get the fifth highest paid. This is the salary. So this is the way you can now take this here and you can again display the details of the highest paid employee of the each department. Anyhow, I already discussed. Display the details of the senior most employee of the each department. You can figure it out how to do that here. So these are the assignment questions. You can drop your all your tables and you can take the script as is. Okay, I'm going to select the script as is. I'm going to take it here till here. Okay, I'll be doing the. I'm going to paste it here. Before that, you copy this. Okay, yes, we are going to put it here. Okay, ensure that you're dropping all the tables. Okay, first you are going to drop the table, drop table, EMP, drop table, DEPT, drop table. We are going to do the salary. You drop all these three tables. You drop it here. One, I'm going to drop this here. DEPT table, I'm going to drop it here. I'm dropping the salary table, I'm dropping here. Then I'm going to, okay, this is the salary table. Okay, just let me drop this here. Okay, I'm dropping the salary table, I dropped here. Now you can select all these things. Then we can execute this here. This is going to execute all the things. Now we are going, like no, we inserted this data. I think this is no more required for us. Select star from EMP. Just ensure that you have got the employee data. So you carefully watch this all the columns and get familiar with what are the columns you are having here. Now this you pin this here so that it can be useful for you feature reference. Now here we are going to do that. Select star from DEPT. Okay, DEPT also you pin this here. Select star from salary. Select star from salary. Okay, select star from salary. If I'm selecting here, this is going to you put this here and pin this here. Now go to the questions one by one. Okay, what is that question they're asking? Write a query, display all the details of employees who are working for the department number 10 or 20. Okay. First thing is, whether is there any employee with the department number 10 or 20? Yes, there are people. Now they are asking to write a query. What you can write it here? You take this query, first query, for your practice. Now here you are going to put it in your script and you comment this here. This is a first query. You comment this here. Okay, for your reference here, this is solution. You are going to write it here. Select star from EMP where DEPT number in or DEPT number equal to 10 or DEPT number equal to 10 or DEPT number equal to 20. So this is the query we are going to execute here. Is this correct? Yes, it is correct. Now you can compare this here. Like you can sort this department. You're going to assigning order. You're doing here. Hey, 10 and 20. How many employees are there? You can see the actual data. So there are 6 employees, 7 employees are there. 6 employees are there. Am I getting the 6 employees in the result set? You can compare that. 7 employees. You're getting the 7 employees. That means this is correct. Like this, you practice all these questions. The 45 questions you practice that here. Some questions, if you don't get the solution, what you can Google it and you can find that. Yeah, is this clear? Yes, no.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's all I planned, guys. SQL classes. I think today we are going to end the session. We are done with the almost all the as a SQL developer. What are the basic concepts are required? I covered almost all the concepts, and these assignment questions also you can take it as a practice, and you can do that. Still, if you want to get more challenges, you can go to the Hacker Rank or Hacker Rank is the place where you can take their SQL. What you can call certification. So they will give the 2 questions you can solve and like if your solutions are fine, they will give you the certificate as well. Yeah. Thank you so much for attending this SQL classes. Okay. So wish you all the best, guys. See you.
Thank you, sir.